let's go live. Just gotta switch this window and that window. Now scroll this up, go live, go, boom. Hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. It is good to have you. I'm very happy to see you, very happy to be here on TikTok Live. TikTok Live is the best streaming platform anywhere. I'm excited to be coming to you, talking to you. We are going to be talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, meme coins, DeFi, trading. It's all educational. It's all good community fun. And we are all going to make it. Welcome to the stream. We love TikTok Live, and we love cryptocurrency. Let me send this link around, and then we will get started. Let's get started. Copy this link, and then share it. So a lot of crazy nonsense and shenanigans has been happening in the market lately. Namely, today, the biggest news, I mean, it's been a slow day, I'll admit, slow by crypto standards, where usually there's insane stuff happening left and right. Today, the biggest thing to happen is a major hack on X. X, the platform that crypto knows and loves and uses every single day, for whatever reason, was the target of a cyber attack today that left it totally offline and unusable. You could not host a space there, you could not go live, you could not make a post. It was a mess, honestly. So X, Twitter, was totally unusable today for a lot of people. And you have to understand that this is a platform where many communities are based. Many founders of blockchains are based on there on X. A lot of the KOLs and personalities in crypto, they use X as their main platform. So when it goes down, that's a big deal. You know, there are programs and shows, conversations, interviews, community events and organizations that happen on the Twitter spaces and whatnot that just couldn't happen because it wasn't even working. Let's go and check right now to see if it's even back online. Okay, thankfully, yes. It seems like, yes. Nice. We are actually live again. Earlier, we were really having trouble with that. I wasn't even able to go live on the multi-stream to X because they got hacked. Now, more information has just come out in the past 30 minutes about what the nature of this hack was. It turns out the hackers, at least on the first investigative glance, were based out of Ukraine. No word on what their motivations could be other than the supposed manifesto of Dark Storm that was posted. Let's go Dark Storm. So this coin is not doing very well anymore, but supposedly this was the name of the hacker that compromised X and shut it down. Michael Crypto says it wasn't a hack, it was a DDoS attack, cyber attack that compromised the servers over there at X and made it so that people were unable to access content on the platform and unable to use regular functionality. Now, that Darkstorm person took responsibility and posted their little manifesto there in that deck screener banner that you can see. But, I don't know. It remains to be seen how much more information will come out about this. Hopefully the attacks are over. It seems like at least I'm able to go live now, so that's a good improvement. But honestly, people are going to forget about this tomorrow. This is such a slow crypto day, though, that the biggest news is just that X is down temporarily. It's pretty funny. Dog with blunt. Let's check it out. Dog with blunt. This is such an awful project, my dear friend. Really, really poor performance. I mean, 8K market cap is nothing, bro. I get that last year, yes, it was up. But come on. The sad thing is, though, you're probably actually going to convince people to buy this, but at the end of the day, you're just finding exit liquidity, and this is going to end up going straight to zero. on, near, or immediately before the holiday, I wouldn't waste my time with that. I don't really like holiday coins. If you watch my stream regularly, you hear me say this time and time again. Holiday coins are not built to last. Connor coin. I'm not seeing Connor coin. Also, who is Connor? Like, you don't just make a coin out of somebody's name, like Jeremy coin, like Ronald coin. Like, what is that? This isn't Urban Dictionary. Alright, let's look at Ondo. Max timeline. I like Ondo. I like the generous upward trajectory here. I think over time it's trended upwards better than most projects. You see a lot of projects with these heavy ups and downs. These guys had some volatility, don't get me wrong. I mean, they went from 150 all the way down to 50, so that's a heavy retrace, like 60% there. But I feel like it was gradual, it was slow and steady, and when they bounced back, they bounced convincingly. There definitely was a sign of life here. And again, overall, I think trending upwards. This thing is new. It's a very novel project. I mean, it's 1 year old at this point. And 1 year old is relatively new in the space. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. This is real world assets, blockchain technology integration. Check out what they're up to. It's a pretty interesting project. It's one of the better looking, stronger looking altcoins in my opinion at this stage in the market. But that being said, everything can collapse pretty soon. Conor McGregor. Oh, so it's Conor coin from Conor McGregor. Respect. That guy, I don't think he would be very bullish for a crypto project. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we gotta be done with the celebrity coins at this point. And of all people, you really trust Conor McGregor with your money? I don't know. Magnetics. Why do people keep asking about that? I pulled this up on stream like literally every time I've streamed for like the past 3 days. It's in the same spot that it's been. Like, it absolutely collapsed from 20 mil or wherever it was at. What's the hype here though? I don't understand why folks are so intrigued. Did you guys all just buy the top on this or something? The market is miserable right now, so it's gonna be very hard to find anything that performs decently. This is no exception, and it's like, what is this, bro? You can't put magnets on the blockchain. The description here in the deck screener says it's a neuro-religion built on the law of attraction. Make it go up. You have magic powers. You're doing occult rituals for the chart. I want to see more green here. Clearly, their magic is not working. Like, this is what usually it's absurd if you go to the developer and you tell them, oh, make the project go up. It's like, oh yeah, right, come on. But in this case, yes, the whole premise of the project is they're supposed to be attracting abundance. Let's say, hey, hello, turn the magnet on. My goodness. That's what I'll say, bro. Or you know what? I think they did attract the abundance, but you guys thought they were going to attract it to the chart. They just attracted it to their own wallets. They took that 10 mil from 20 mil down to 10 mil. They went to the Bahamas. Let's look at TARS AI. TARS AI. 10 months, 8 days old, 40 mil market cap, 688k volume on the daily. This thing has been an absolute slip and slide, a waterfall, cascade from previous all-time high. Let's see where previous all-time high was, because this was multi-hundred million. This thing saw almost 300. It wicked up to 300 mil at one point. Here you see it down at 40 mil, almost a 90% retrace. Really, really poor performance coming out of TARS AI. And look, every AI coin in the market has been bleeding lately. It is not the same meta that we saw, 4 months ago when the biggest and baddest AI players were coming out. And this coin didn't even come out of that meta, mind you. This is from April or something of last year. This is about almost 11 months old. But this thing has not impressed me in the past few months. And I think there's no excuse. There really is no excuse for this price action. Look here. This dip started in December of last year. Solana saw all-time high in January of this year. Why? When the market was surging and seeing so much impressive performance, this thing kept that downward trajectory the whole time. Solana was doing up and down. Bitcoin was doing up and down. It crossed 100K multiple times, but this chart did not follow. It just went straight down. It is underperforming. I think there is nothing under the hood here. I wouldn't waste my time, personally. Purpose saying AI. What? Are you AI? You talking about this project? I'm going to level with you, bro. This project is trash. This project is really not worth investing in. And I think the chart reflects that. I would stay clear of this one, personally. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. Let's look at AirBud. AirBud? They put AirBud on the blockchain? I love AirBud. You know what I found out? The guy who made AirBud, he is like very broke. Despite the fact that it is an incredibly successful franchise with millions of copies sold across all volumes and with literally, I think, dozens of films across the whole franchise, the guy who invented it, the guy whose dog it was, he doesn't have a penny. He didn't make anything from it. Disney or whoever took all the money. So maybe if we put it on the blockchain, it'll actually reward the person who made it. So that could be cool. 9 months, 12 days old, 6 million market cap, 74K volume. I'm not going to lie, though. This thing has done nothing but go down since December of last year. Same problem that we just saw on TARS AI. Or, no, not even TARS AI. What were we just looking at? Same problem. Nah, whatever. I don't even care anymore. Same problem we be seeing on these garbage charts, bro. There's garbage charts that are just trending down for months, bro. Give donations to animal shelters. Respect, man. But you got to pick the chart up if you want to do that long term. Soon those dogs are going to be starving, bro. Come on. That chart was so red. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. FKEK. No bundles, steady holders, and making PR. FKEK. This is Fort Kekius. 1 day and 3 hours old. It's a good looking chart, honestly. It is actually a pretty good looking chart. This is a pump fund project. This is about $500,000 market cap, 300K volume. Pushing upwards well. They're at all-time high right now. A lot of upward trajectory on the chart. It seems to be defying the overall trends of the market. So far, so good, is what I'll say on that one. Have you heard of Tunnel.io? I have. Yes. Let's check on it. Or, like, I've heard of it, but I'd be lying if I told you I knew what the fuck that shit was. Where do you want me to look at that shit? I'm not particularly interested in going to the website. Here we go. Okay. Pay anyone to post anything. Okay, nice. Hopefully they pay me to post something. They were at ETH Denver. Okay. Nice. Cuff Dev says, launching on TikTok soon. Rugging on TikTok soon. Get out of here. Yeah, this looks pretty dope, honestly. Maybe I should sign up for that. LOL, I'm the dev. Yes, I understand that. I would be 150% tremendously, thoroughly surprised if your project that you are about to release is still above 30,000 market cap by this time tomorrow. I would be abundantly surprised. I'm new to TikTok, but there is huge demand from Web3 brands. Is that huge demand the 21 followers that you have on your account? Is that the huge demand you're talking about? NSAI, let's take a look. Whoa, whoa, that thing spiked, I'm not gonna lie. From 150k absolute rocket up to 700k. This thing is just under a month old. This is awesome because no one else is doing this in the market right now. Every project is bleeding so heavy. And this thing, somehow, some way, has managed to defy the odds and really blow up. This is great. No, it's only on X right now. Currently, brands play a few hundred per post on X. Respect. But what are you talking about? It's like just an account with a lot of followers on X or something? Because people try to make projects like that all the time. And it's not necessarily going to translate to a successful coin, especially not in this market. Fatalism FTW. Let's take a look. Fatalism FTW. I am familiar with this project. This is his second Path of Exile character. But you guys, why are you still talking about this? From what I understand, he's already made multiple new characters since then, and this is not even, like, this isn't even part of the conversation anymore. He doesn't even play this character anymore. He doesn't even play Path of Exile really on stream anymore. So, what's up? He's too busy with the actual political stuff going on to stream the game. Probably won't launch a token for another year. Gotta build first. Respect. That's the way to do it. Slow and steady wins the race. Godspeed, bro. I believe in you. Anyways, Fatalism FTW. I don't think there's a lot of steam in that narrative. It's been done. And Elon doesn't even care about it anymore. So if he doesn't care about it, why would we? He does. There's soon a big update with new content coming. Path of Exile 2 with new features. Yeah, but he has another character. Like, the whole point was that that's the name of a character. You know, he also had Kekius Maximus. He made another one. Like, there's a new one that he uses. He doesn't use Fatalism FTW, unless I'm wrong about that. But I'm almost certain that he made a new character. So when that new update comes, that's not going to be more exposure for Fatalism FTW. Maybe. Good luck. That's like a huge niche, super maxi cope. Like, I don't know why you would hold that right now. You're really gonna buy Elon's video game character's name in the hopes that when an update drops to the video game, he's going to live stream with that same character name? Like, what are you doing right now? What kind of market voodoo is that, bro? That's no way to make money. Jump in the trenches and find some shit that actually means something, bro. Come on. And here's what I'll say too. Elon's in a tough spot right now. He is under a tremendous amount of pressure. The whole administration is. The market's bleeding right now. A lot of that is getting blamed on them. And so I don't think Elon has time to really jump on and play video games anymore. He hasn't streamed since Trump took office, from what I understand, unless I'm tripping. But that guy, I feel like it's a really busy part of the administration that he needs to step up and play a major role in. That just, if he streams Path of Exile right now, it'd be kind of absurd. KevDev says, LOL plus X went down for a few hours this morning. Elon better lock in. Yeah, that guy, he's got his hands tied. F36 Beam said, yo, why not, bro? Do you remember when I told you the bear market is coming earlier this year? No. No, bro, no. Not now, bro. It's too soon. Chill, bro. We're not in the bear market yet. Come back to me when Bitcoin drops to or below this level in the 60k support range, bro. Once we hit there, then I'll be worried. I'll be worried once we hit that spot right there. Do you like Flow coin? You have to understand, Luis V6656. I am the greatest crypto rapper of all time. Do I like Flow coin? Flow is what I do, bro. Flow is how I make my living. Flow. Flow. So this right here is Flow. Oh my.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
What the fuck is this, bro? You said it's rising? It's where? Where is the rising, bro? This is not rising. What the fuck? Oh, you said BBB is rising. Okay, that makes sense. But whoever asked me to look at Flow, bro, just what are you doing, bro? Go look at literally any other asset. This thing has done nothing but go down in the past 4 years. 4 fucking years, bro. You gonna let your money sit in something that goes down for 4 years? My goodness gracious. Not financial advice, do your own research, but anything is better than that. Hellcats, XRPs, you know what I mean. That's so true, bro. That's so true. That's the energy we need in this market now more than ever. Everybody, Hellcats, XRPs, you know what I mean. BBB, good dip or dump. What is BBB, bro? Big baller brand? You're trying to buy in that, bro? Whoa. Bring back Biden. Oh, okay, I see. 2 hours, 9 minutes old. Ouch. Not a good looking chart, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna say nah. It was a funny joke when people first saw the ticker, but that haha value wears off quickly when you start seeing the red candles. People jumped out of this one quick. You gotta understand, people are trading like it's the bear market right now. Get in, get out. Sunny Bry says Elon. Oh boy. JD Vance Elon meme. Now this is comedy. Let's take Elon and put a propeller hat on him and give him a lollipop. Crypto Twitter is gonna love this. Bro, you just got rug pulled like nobody's business, left and right, like 100 times. So many big fat red candles on this chart. What are you doing, bro? This is nonsense. This is so bad. Jeez. It is the bear market now. I'm hesitant to say that we are fully bear. I don't want to, and maybe that's just copium, but for all intents and purposes, if you are trying to trade or be successful in this market, you might as well treat it like it's the deepest throes of the bear market. I think we're still not quite down in the no-no zone that puts us really off and I think solidifies our bear status. We're kind of bouncing a little bit. We're floundering a little bit. Solana hit as low as, 115 or some stupid shit, maybe even lower. It was just at 117 not too long ago. Now it's been piddling around 120. So they might be hanging on for dear life. Capert says crypto markets are trash ATM. Buy Bitcoins and hold. Wait till summer. That's real. That's real. It is a great time to get a decent price on some quality projects. I was seeing that a lot of these assets, I think Bitcoin hasn't been this low for the past 3 months or 4 months or something like that. So, in crypto or in any trading, obviously, you can never perfectly time something. Humans, we don't have crystal balls, we don't have psychic abilities, we can't see the future like that. I mean, not all of us. And for that reason, when you see a time like this, where all the indicators show that it's an abnormally low period of market activity, that could be a decent time to enter. Maybe not the perfect timing that you're looking for, but at least better than average timing.
This is a crypto.
Welcome to the stream, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. I go by the name of Why Not. I am the greatest crypto rapper of all time. We are looking at the hottest and freshest gems in the market right now. BK was says, can buy now or still dipping? What do you think? We're in a tough spot, bro. There's not, like, when I'm approaching this question, I have to think critically about upcoming events that might catalyze the market or otherwise save us. Is there anything on the near horizon that could potentially save us? And the answer is honestly no. There is nothing short term that's bullish for the market. Pretty much every trick is out of the sleeve at this point. And I can't think of anything that's going to happen on the horizon in the near future that actually would make prices go up. So I definitely think it could continue to dip. Like, as optimistic as I love to be, it's hard for me to imagine what's actually going to drive that price up. They pulled off all the stops, right? Like, there was a Bitcoin conference last Friday with all the world and crypto leaders coming together talking about the industry. They've established the reserve. They've done a bunch of stuff, but it just hasn't worked. We're going to have to wait for the overall market turbulence to die down, and that could take quite some time. You have to understand just how many major shifts are happening at the policy level in this industry. It's going to be a lot of growing pains and adjustment and et cetera, et cetera. Catbird says buy now, sell in 2 months. Yeah, so this is not the short-term market that we had, 2 months ago or something like that, when you could jump into stuff and make pretty immediate returns and laugh all the way to the bank. We're going to be in a pretty rough, stagnant period of time, potentially a bear market or micro bear that shoves us down. Potentially this is the end. Potentially we see a year or 2 or 3 years of down action, depending on how long it takes for these market conditions to stabilize, and outside events that are outside of our control and events that are impossible to predict. So good luck. You're at the good luck stage. Like, this is the moment that makes or breaks. This separates the boys from the men. This is the not going to make it versus the make it in the market. You have to really lean in and adapt and be dynamic and understand that the landscape has changed, that this pretty much is a bear market now. You need to change your strategies to try and win here. But if you can figure it out, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. And, yeah, look at Tolly. Tolly, he put the fire emoji, the dog emoji, the coffee emoji, like the "this is fine" meme. The news is over $1.75 trillion was wiped out from the U.S. stock market today. This is not crypto. This is stocks. 1.75 trillion wiped out from stocks today. You're seeing 5% on pretty much every major market leader just knocked off in one day. That is pretty spectacular, horrific, miserable, whatever you want to call it. The market at large is struggling, and that is why crypto is having a hard time. It has nothing to do with, the blockchain tech or the trajectory of the industry. It has everything to do with the general overall market conditions. The meme dump says, what are your thoughts on Picoin? Honestly, initially I was pretty bearish on Picoin. I was not thinking that it was going to be anything special to write home about. But since its launch, it's honestly exceeded my expectations, and I think it's performed decently. It's middle of the road right now, while most of the market is pretty much bleeding out. But if you're looking all time, at least, well, yeah, I mean, at least it's higher than that dump level that they had when they first launched. They could be a little bit higher, like they could be higher than launch. That would be nice, but yeah, at least they're not at zero. Quant Stamp. Quant Stamp. I honestly thought it was going to be in the decimals. You and me both, bro. I really thought it would not make it. I thought it would pretty much just trend immediately to 0. But it caught itself well past launch price, past all-time high pretty convincingly. Like that was a nice show that they put on. They haven't maintained it since, but the whole market, it's pretty hard to maintain something like that, especially at scale, the scale that Pi is trying to achieve. Let's see, this is Quant Stamp. Not a bad looking chart, honestly. I mean, like, yes, it's a bad looking chart in the sense that it totally went to 0 and it's over a year and a half old. But it's not bad in the sense that it looks like it might actually be coming back for a little bit. Dank. Let's look. Tell me what coin is coming, TF? What the fuck do you mean by that? Ace Champagne Poppy? What an absolutely obnoxious name. You can't even spell champagne correctly. Tell you what coin is coming, bro? I'll tell you what's coming. Pain. Misery, agony, blood in the market. Nothing's gonna succeed. There is no coin coming. There is no magical chariot that's gonna swoop you out of you being broke. If you haven't made it, you're done. You're cooked. Pack it up. Go and put the fries in the bag. F36 Beam says, you didn't believe me, bro. LOL. Now watch this bear market for the next 2 years. Oh yeah, bro? I just got off the phone with Bill Gates and Donald Trump. They came to an agreement. They just purchased all the remaining supply of Bitcoin and have now set the price to $300,000 a pop. We just entered the giga cycle. Good luck. Sunny Bride says, what do you think about Pain, actually? Well, I think just like any other celebrity coin, it's destined for failure. They had a, like, look at this chart. It's so bad. It just goes straight down the whole life. So, yeah, I don't think it was anything special. I don't think it looks good by any means. March Madness, guys, only 16K market cap and Sosa promoting it. Are you a millionaire yet, bro? No, I'm broke. Bro, I just submitted my application for McDonald's like 30 minutes ago on stream. I typed the application up. I'm trying to be a manager, bro, if I get lucky. You didn't say anything about Dank? Yeah, I'll pull the chart up, bro, but come on. What do you want me to say about this? Like every other coin in the market, it is trending to 0 right now. Everything is bleeding. 4 hour, bro. What the fuck? It still looks the same on the 4 hour. It still looks the same. Here's the problem. I mean, you guys are a derivative of MLG. MLG was a rug pull. Everyone that touched MLG is no longer involved in the space. They all literally ran away. That project actually exploded, one of the biggest and well-known influencer cabals of the group. What redeeming factor does this have? It is a beta play to something that exploded. This is the equivalent of chill guy, like not even chill guy, but like big chill guy or something, like baby chill guy. Come on. See Connor? Okay, yeah, let's look at Connor. The problem is none of you guys know how to spell Conor McGregor, so I can't actually look up the coin because I don't know how to spell it either, and it doesn't show up when I type it. Can you put the contract address in there? Oh, Coiner McGregor, 300K market cap. Woo! Wow. Whee! Look at that candle. 300k pushing upwards. Really good looking performance. 18 hours, 36 minutes old. So actually relatively old. This has been kind of a slow cook until now, but a lot of upward momentum on the chart. Not really any heavy dips besides this little ledge right here. But 18 hours old, 300k market cap. It's not the highest market cap ever, especially not when you have 2 million volume. But so far, it's alright. Ijaz Bangash says, at why not Crypto Rap God 6. Nice. Big Dub says, crypto the best, bro. That's so true, bro. I agree. WaterX Meta says, wildin' out. Bro, why? Why? Last time I checked, it was under $500,000 market cap or something like that. Yeah, it's like 394k. Bro, this thing is cooked. Charbroiled. Look at this chart. Straight to zero, bro. Again, you got a case of pretty much no redeeming qualities. I feel like Nick Cannon doesn't even talk about this anymore. Did he unpin it from his profile? This is cooked, bro. Big Dope says, but Bitcoin have the highest value. That's true. Bitcoin have a lot of value. Yeah, we just looked at McGregor. It looks alright. And by alright, I mean it looks pretty good. But it's hard to jump in on a candle that's that tall. You look like an older version of All K. Alright, I gotta look up who All K is. All K. What the fuck? Maybe I look like this guy if he divided in half, bro. I'm like, I must be half the weight of this guy and twice the height. All K, the known rugger? Oh. So it's not this guy? Hey, thanks for the rose. I appreciate that. Look, there's a big dip loading here. This thing waked up to 500k. Now it's down to 300k. Will it keep pushing? I don't know. What's up, fam? Good to see you, Walter. Pleasure to have you on the stream. I really appreciate it. Harry says, why am I down 70% overall? Harry, my dearest, sincerest friend, my sweet summer child, and my brother in Christ, I am down 100%. I have not a penny to my name. I am absolutely fucking cooked. Done for. Obliterated. In the microwave. This is awful, bro. This is a bloodbath. The market, not anywhere close to where we want it to be. Pray for all of us, bro. Hopefully we make it through. A says, I will get you Bitcoin. Don't worry. Nice. Thank you. Harry says, when is the market going to turn around? It's not. It's not. This is it. The final bull run. Bitcoin hit 100k. The mission is complete. It goes to zero now. Everything else follows. The slow heat death of the crypto universe. Ace says, Harry, go back to bed. That's so true. Harry, what are you doing up past your bedtime? Ooh, na 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 na. Is Kanye still gonna launch? Yay? What if he launches at the absolute cycle bottom? He launches at literally the perfect time and his coin marks the bottom. And then it just super duper moons, multi-billion market cap, and saves the market forever. Wouldn't that be crazy? Too bad he's gonna name it Swasticoin. Bad name. What is he thinking? Yeah, he's kind of tweaking, bro. If we're being real. Ace says Trump coin going to the moon. What the fuck are you on, Ace? Let me pull the Trump chart up right now. I don't think this looks like something that's going to the moon, bro. I think this looks like it's going to the farthest thing for the moon. Big Dub says, I can teach you how to trade on oil and gas platform. Why does it have to be on an oil and gas platform? Why can't I just trade from the comfort of my couch, bro? I'm not trying to be in the Arctic Sea. Let's see. 1 month, 20 days old. 2 billion market cap. This thing used to be 20 billion, by the way. $122 million volume. Yeah, this thing is so cooked. The Trump coin is absolutely miserable looking chart. Young Driller, good to see you, bro. Big Dub says you can trade it with your crypto wallet for exchange, bro. Can I use it to buy gas at a gas station? That's what I need. Redstone on Binance. That's cool. Let's look it up. We got Minecraft on Binance. I'm not gonna lie. If you listen to the words like Binance, Minecraft, they kind of like it rolls off the tongue. But I'm not. Oh, you're talking about this one? There's no way you're talking about this one. I don't really see one that's worth it. Let's trade. That's true, bro. They're in the trenches trading right now. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. Crypto Rap. Okay, I put the Discord in the chat. Join that Discord. It's totally free. Always will be free. All experience levels welcome. 2,000 plus people in there. Multiple 100 times calls in there. 1,000 times calls in there. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. If you are not there, you are not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. Sorry. That's just the way it goes. What coin should we place right now? Brother, the market is an absolute bloodbath. Be very careful no matter what coin you end up entering, because it's gonna be a dog eat dog PvP market. People are gonna want to dump on you to get their profits, so be safe. Don't go wandering into any blockchain traps. Fetch AI. Let's take a look. Fetch AI. This thing? No, wait. Fetch AI.
Crypto Rap exclusive.
Fetch. I'm honestly not seeing it. Thanks for the follow. You got the contract address for me on Fetch AI? I'm only getting this chart, and if you're talking about this chart, bro, you don't want me to talk about this. You don't want me to talk about that chart, bro. Let's look at FET. Which one are you talking about? The, like, this one?
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Bro, why is this so difficult? You talking about this Ethereum shit? It must be the one that I was just looking at, right? Or am I tripping? Is this one here? On Cardano? Anyways. Fetch AI. Unless it's literally a robotic dog, they're wasting their name. They're wasting their full potential. Until they're putting a robotic dog on the consumer market, Fetch AI not gonna make it. Just be patient, XRP holders, and keep holding. XRP is going above $5 before mid Q1 2025, says Echo. The liquidity is incredible. Wow, Echo, what an optimistic take. I'm gonna come back to you in Q1 of 2025, and if XRP is anything under $3, I'm gonna find your family. And I'm gonna give them a big hug. and ask them why they raised a liar. What coins, man? We talk about the market. They fucked us. Yeah, they did, bro. The market absolutely wrecked us. We are in a body bag right now. We're in a pretty bad spot. I wish it was better. I wish it was any other way, but unfortunately, this is just how things shook out. I love you guys. I respect you. I appreciate each and every one of you, but crypto, if you're in crypto, pivot to McDonald's. You're gonna have to pivot to putting the fries in the bag very soon. I'm gonna start making some informative videos, some tips on how to get a job at McDonald's, how to interview, what the job responsibilities are, and soon all of us are gonna be employed at our local McDonald's very gainfully. So stay tuned for that, guys. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live, and if you are watching, you better join that Discord. It's totally free, always will be free. All experience levels welcome. 2,000 plus people in there. If you like crypto, that's the best community in crypto. I'm not exaggerating. Look at any call in there. They are getting, 30 times call, 60 times call, 50 times, 100 times, 200 times, 300 times. Double R says, thank you, I need the trading. Double R, you got it. You got it. Stevens Glenn says, market's tanking. It definitely is tanking. It is absolutely miserable. I could see you being a good radio host. Thank you. I appreciate that. If you know any radio stations that are hiring, please reach out to me. My goodness gracious, my God almighty, I need a job. I am so fucking broke right now. This market, it is cooked. Every cryptocurrency is down to zero. There's no making it anymore. And I don't want to go back to McDonald's, man. I was flipping fries for years, bro. I put my time in on the fryer, man. I have the grease stains to prove it. I've got the burns, bro. The burn marks. You weren't there, bro. You weren't warming up those fries. You weren't putting them in the bag, bro. You don't know how it is. I can't go back to the bear run, bro. We need another bull run. We need another bull run. Stat. Devs. Please do something. Kanye West coming? Yes. Finally, yes. A celebrity coin. Why didn't we think of it? That's what the market needed. All we needed was a big A-list celebrity to make a coin. Then everybody will buy crypto. My God, how did we never think of that? This is going to be huge. Maybe Fartcoin hitting 2 billion was a top signal. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe. But next cycle, when it's at 50 billion, you can shut your trap.
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Thanks for the follow. I appreciate that, Clip It. Walter says, that's crazy. That coin went. Yeah, it really did go. I mean, that thing really set the standard. It was the probably top 3 biggest meme narratives coming out of the list cycle, which is saying a lot. Thanks for the follows, Champagne Schooner, Hide Goods, and whoever the fuck else follows. Thank you. I appreciate it. Stephen Glenn, Ned Kelly. Australia's only meme coin? Australia has a meme coin? What is it? Kangaroo or koala? A guy says Hex. RR says, I got $100 to spare. What do you recommend? Well, you're probably gonna lose it anyways if you're asking a TikTok streamer what to do with your money. So just give it to me, bro. Why not cut out the middleman? Like, cut out the middleman. You're gonna go to some TikTok stream and get your money taken anyways. Just give it to me, bro. Please. I need it. Stephen Glenn says, I'll take it. Nah, bro. Nah. Ned Kelly says our community is great. Come join us, bro. You want to talk great communities? You want to talk the best community in crypto? Like literally the best. 24/7, 365, finding the greatest projects in the space. Discord.gg/crypto rap. Totally free. Always will be free. Trust me. You are not in a group that's better than this group. So if you are not in this group, join this group. That's the best advice I can give you for this bear market. Double R says, have you heard of Norse coin? Hey, thanks for the lightning bolt. Bzz, bzz, bzz. And thanks for the follow, Jaden. I appreciate that. Look, $1.5 trillion eliminated from the stock market today. Always nice to see these images and just like a 50 red squares covering your screen. Have you heard of Norse coin? No, I haven't, honestly. Champagne Schooner says, favorite XRP meme? I don't know, bro. You know, Army is obviously a classic. Phoenix is obviously incredible. There's some good candidates over there. I wouldn't pick just one. I would diversify, bro. Because we saw this most recent drawdown that when the XRP ecosystem got shook up and every coin got rocked to its core, back down to zero pretty much, Army had been ahead of the game the whole time, but now Phoenix is pretty much within punching distance of them. So diversify, because you never know who's going to pull ahead. It's still a very, very early chain, early market, underexposed. It's anyone's game. Link. Bruh. Link, bro. Are you serious? Ned says, wow, you actually know what you're talking about. We'll join up. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, I've been doing this crypto thing for the better part of a decade now. I've worked with hundreds of projects, billions of dollars market cap represented. I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time. We built this community from the ground up. Everyone is a real human being, joined directly from stream. Over 2,000 people in here. That's it. That's it. Over 2,000 people. Totally free. Always will be free. You go in there, you're going to see the vibes. They speak for themselves. It is like the bear market is terrible. There's no good projects, blah, blah, blah. These guys are still winning every single day. These guys are still winning. They are not letting the bear market deter them. So if you want to be locked in, if you want to stay consistent and continue to win despite the odds, that's the place to go. Check out more meme coin. Don't talk. Just check out meme coin. Oh yeah, bro. Your wish is my command. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. I go by the name of Why Not. I am the greatest crypto rapper of all time. Stephen Glenn says, what are your thoughts on VeChain? We were looking at VeChain just last night or something. It's hella recent on stream. Let's pull it up. VeChain. So I'll start by saying that this is something that's pretty, you know, relatively old school. In fact, very old school. And basically I think it's trash. I think its time has come. This thing came out literally, you know, 7 years ago or something now. It went up. It had a great time in the 2021 cycle. Since then, nothing but go down. Even this bull run, when they should have had another chance at getting back up to their all-time high, they barely kicked a little bit, like a fraction of their previous market cap, and then they flopped back down to zero again. So honestly, I'm not optimistic about this one. I think VeChain is trash. DL says, yo, good to see you, DL. Steven says, I've been thinking about going in on it. Honestly, bro, it just seems super weak to me. Compared to other altcoins, I feel like it's not going to be a top. Villefon says, my biggest crypto coin in my bag is XRP. Yay. Yay. Isn't that thing like falling under 200 again? Let's see what XRP is at. I mean, sorry, not 200, $2. see, XRP. Oh, it's at $2.07, so it's barely hanging in there. You guys are in a tough spot over on XRP, but I'm not gonna lie. This chart definitely looks better than the vast majority of projects. Like, it still looks better than VeChain, for example. This is something that might still have a sign of life in it. There's been a lot of bullish news coming out about XRP lately. It played a central role in the Strategic Crypto Reserve announcement and the Crypto White House Conference. So keep an eye on this one, because rumors have been abound and policy regulation greenlighting has been pointing all to XRP having a pretty good future. The market overall is pretty wrecked right now. I think that explains the negative price action we've seen in recent history, but they still got it, maybe. Zebek, please.
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Zebek. It doesn't look good at all, bro. Looks like it pretty much just ranges downward. I'm not optimistic about this one either. You got to be able to do better than this, honestly. It's my opinion. Thoughts on COQ?
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Shane, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that. COQ. Oh, why am I looking on X? That's funny. COQ.
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
COQ. This one? The AVAX thing? Huh. $42.3 million market cap, 469K volume on the 24-hour, 1 year, 3 months old. Not a bad looking chart, honestly. Ned Kelly says, if you want early access, let me know. Sure, bro. To whatever you're talking about. And give me free crypto, please. Champagne Schooner says, who hacked X? It was the Dark Storm group based out of the Ukraine. WebDuke says, bro, are we going back up? No, sorry. It's actually over. This is it. Every coin is done for. The market's not going to rebound. We are staring the end in the eyes. It's kind of a tough spot. So, yeah, I hope you said your prayers. Me personally, I'm going to be applying to my local McDonald's very soon. I hope you guys do the same. If you're in crypto, now's a good time to pivot to actually having a job, as unfortunate as that might be. That's just the state of the market. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. I go by the name of Why Not. I am the greatest crypto rapper of all time. Ned Kelly says, perfect time to build. That is correct. It is the absolute perfect time to build. The noise is gone, and now we can focus on what really matters, like community, for example. And we are building the greatest community in crypto, brick by brick, person by person. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Over 2,000 people, all real human beings, joined directly from stream, just like you guys. Totally free to join, always will be free. All experience levels welcome. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. You guys have to join if you're not in there. I pinned it in the chat. I messaged it in the chat. Get to that group by any means necessary, because in this bear run, we have to stick out for one another. We have to look out for one another. Join that group and look at their performance. Even though it's the worst market we've ever seen, in the past week they've had I think over 6 100 times calls. So many top performing calls, so many early entries on really quality projects. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. That's the place that you want to go. Be there or be square. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Pleasure to have you. Join that Discord. Join that Discord now. Anyways, the main reason why I'm telling you guys to join that Discord is because I'm actually going to end this stream right now. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. This stream is about to end. I will be streaming later, but that Discord is 24/7, 365. I just pinned it right there. So seriously, this is your last chance to join discord.gg/cryptorap. I'm about to end this stream. Join that Discord. Thank you so much for tapping in. It has been an absolute pleasure joining now. Thank you. It'll be good to have you in there. All you people that are not in there, you better join. Discord.gg/cryptorap. This stream is ending, so I will see you guys over there.
This is a Crypto Rapid.
God bless you. God bless your portfolio. It has been an absolute pleasure to have you all. Thank you so much for that follow. Cheers. Have a good day, night, whatever. We are all going to make it. As bleak as the market might seem, I hope that we will persevere, that we will see brighter days, and hopefully we aren't totally wrecked. Hopefully this isn't the end. Hopefully we aren't about to go for another like 3 years of bear run. That would be pretty miserable. Also, please give me free money and free crypto. Thank you. My DMs are open. God bless you. God bless your portfolio. See you later.